Hello, I'm Richard Tribune from Concha Financial. The holiday season still seems fresh in the air, but we're already into February, and that means your federal tax deadline is quickly approaching. Poring over statements and forms might not be your idea of a party, but staying alert to new and adjusted tax regulations is one of the best ways to help keep your future financial planning in order. If you have questions about tax specifics, or even if you just want to know where you might want to start, reach out to us at 678 539 9518 and let us help keep you confident when it's time to file for the year. Investment advisory services offered through the Impact Partnership Wealth, LLC, IPW, a registered investment advisor firm. Concha Financial and IPW are not affiliated firms. Insurance and annuities offered through Richard Tribune, NPNO 1771675.